This is definitely what this car was built for. It's so fun to drive. All right, let's see what the 2022 WRX has in store for us. All right, we ready to go? Check out this new beast. Definitely punchier. It's definitely got more torque and feels a little bit more even as well, that torque curve. Gosh, I love how it just puts you back in the seat. The stiffness in the chassis and the suspension, I feel myself connecting to the road a bit more. It really gives you the confidence that when you go into the faster corners like this stuff here, you know, third gear, 70 miles per hour, you know the car is going to stick. You put a couple tires off the grass into the gravel there, and it's just smooth, and the car takes it. Oh, how amazing. God, that thing produced so much grip around corners like that that got some camber. You feel like you can charge the corners as much as you want, shifts beautifully, and powers out of the corners like a demon. Right now we're going down this dirt road that has tons of undulation. It's very rough. It's got transitions from dirt to tarmac, and this car just loves it. It eats it up. The steering is a bit more responsive, and it definitely feels more like a race car. I like the gear ratio a lot. I feel like I'm able to go through the gears a bit smoother. There's not really any downtime in the RPM. Oh, using all the road, so much fun. Just feeling how hard this all-wheel drive pulls this car off the corners, it never gets old. I love coming into these hairpin corners, jamming on the brakes, and just making the car do what I want to do. I feel like I'm really driving the car.
There's a cow wandering around, okay?
Okay, so we're watching out for cows. Here in the 2022 WRX GT, feels like a really smooth ride. Yeah, so surprising, even in comfort mode, this thing packs a great punch. Gosh, you can really feel the electronic dampening in these switchbacks because you're really loading the car from one side to the other, and it's staying super stable. All right, let's try some sharper corners. Oh my gosh, I'm such a fan of that. Keeping the RPM right in that sweet spot, so at any time I want to punch it, I got all that torque available right there. It's basically a little cheat code. I like this. Just listen to that thing grab the gears. It's so fast. Like, there's no way I can upshift that fast in the manual. Every time you shift, it just like pops you up out of the hole. And then downshifting here, I love the gearbox. I love the fact that the standard automatic, without using the paddles, still kept you perfectly in the right gear coming off of all those corners. That was amazing. I mean, it's not every day you get to blast through a 45 at 100. As I'm going through like these twisting corners side to side, the Recaro seats here have a ton of support laterally, so I'm really situated nice in the car and nice and stable. I don't feel like I'm flopping all over the place. Boy and his favorite Hot Wheels. Fun level 10. You know, there's no question. I've never driven a car on a closed road ever, and I gotta tell you, it was euphoric. Like, I really could feel and emotionally connect to the car, and that was really special. But I'd hope that everybody who really loves and has a passion for driving gets to feel that one day. Oh my gosh, that was incredible.